Welcome to the Pixix channel. On this video, we'll be learning how to use the easy level from start to finish. By the way, if you could take the time to smash that like button, it would really help out the channel. So let's get started. We've been working on our kitchen remodel and needed an easy way to level the cabinets. The traditional method is to use wooden shims, but since I'm not that experienced, that sounded like an absolute nightmare. So I went online and discovered the easy level. They were very pricey, but I was impressed with how easily cabinets could be leveled out. I spent a few hundred buckaroos on the entire kit, but it was definitely worth every penny.
Alright, so we're moving. We only have one cabinet, so we're just moving this around the room, and I've used the laser level, and I figured out that this corner here is the highest point in the room. So this line is where we're going to be leveling all the cabinets. And I got this this system is called the easy level that will be attached to the bottoms of all these cabinets, and it'll help me level them out.
First step is to screw in the rods to the front and rear leveler like so. Then you mark out some drill holes using a metal template that's provided. Drill out the hole using a boring drill bit that can be purchased separately on their website. Then you just attach the levelers onto the cabinet, but make sure the rods that you attached earlier is near the hole that was drilled.
Alright, so the easy level is installed. The concept is that when you spin these around, this thing will come out, and then you'll be able to level all the front and the back. And I got it on here as well. So I'm gonna get it on that end, and then we'll have a whole run of easy level. So they give you a bit you can use on the easy level. And it's good to have one of these hand ones. It's much easier. Have more control. I think this is a bit too low though. And so the key is you want to keep it about an inch from the wall, because as you level, the cabinet's going to lean back and forth. And make sure you have the laser level set up. And now I'm going to actually use it. So I stick this down here. This is the back. Now let's see it go up. Yeah, see, it's going up. So you go until you see the laser right there. Yeah, the laser's right here. It's on it. Then I do the front. Then you have to go until you see a laser in the front.
I'm basically lifting each corner of the cabinet until everything is leveled out completely. The reason why this is important is because you need a flat surface for the countertops.
Alright guys, perfectly level cabinets, front to back. There you go, easy level system. Kind of expensive, they're about $15 each set, but so worth it. Took me about 10 minutes to level out this cabinet.
Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, here's some more suggestions. And as always, please like, subscribe, and press the bell for notifications, and I'll see you on the next Kim's Adventure.